And we're live. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Chris Derenberger, 7-figure affiliate marketer. He's come up with something called AI Affiliate Suite. And this is what you need. What? How do I know what you need? Because this is affiliate marketing combined with artificial intelligence. It's $12.95. And it shows you how to, I'm going to scroll down here and show you some demo videos that are available with it that just explain everything you need to know. So, wow, all this artificial intelligence sounds confusing. There's Chris Derenberger. I'll let you watch that later. $12.95, like I said. And look at this. I'm going to ignore the before, and here you go. Create Google-friendly content, product reviews in minutes. It's done with artificial intelligence, great content, and away you go. So that's vaguely interesting. Here's step-by-step video training, how to use AI tools to create content, picking a web host, picking a domain name. So this is really using the smartness of the computer to go way beyond anything you'd ever, and then installing WordPress, create website categories, create terms disclosure, etc., create informational blog articles, product reviews, there you go, and then create images, and then create a sitemap. And so the end of all that is it creates the stuff that you need, so the blog posts. And what is that going to do? Well, here you go. Watch as he sets up a complete website, start to finish with artificial intelligence. I'll let you see that. Here you go. Within 1 week, Amazon product reviews, because they're much more in depth than the kind of 100-word things that you find commonly on Amazon sites. They're getting posted, they're getting ranked, and this is done, and it's approved for Google AdSense, 100% artificial intelligence built websites, and this is the kind of things that come out. So here's a review of an air conditioner fan, and you can see that it's grabbed all sorts of information. Here you go. Header tags, subtitles, bullet points, FAQs, conclusions, the whole 9 yards. And he's got the prompts that let it put that together. Here's another one. This is just an informational one. So you can have a combination of all of that together. And this whole thing, like I said, I'm going to let you scroll through, but I'm going to come back up to this part right here, because the amazing part about all this, all the videos, everything you need to know, and it's $12.95. So links in the video description. You'll click the link and it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Yeah, there's a bit of information there about the AI Affiliate Suite. Really click the product box, or it's actually the name AI Affiliate Suite you'll see there, and it'll take you to this page. You can listen to Chris. And there you go. Check it out for $12.95. I'm going to, where are we here? There. Okay. So it's called AI Affiliate Suite. Fresh out today from Chris Derenberger. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.